Next question is the number of coulombs required to deposit 5.4 grams of aluminium when the given electrode reaction is taking place. So for this reaction, they have taken 5.4 grams of aluminium. So to deposit 5.4 grams of aluminium, the number of coulombs required the question. So you know that so for one mole of aluminium, it is carries three positive charges. So 1 mole of aluminum, there are 3 moles of electrons required. 1 mole of aluminium, 3 moles of electrons required. So for 1 mole, 3 moles required to deposit 1 mole of 1 mole of silver aluminium. 1 mole of aluminium is what is the 1 mole of weight is equal to its molecular weight. That means 27 grams. 1 mole substance weight is equal to its molecular weight. So sorry, atomic weight. So atomic weight of aluminum is 27 grams. That means to deposit 27 grams, so we require 3 moles of electrons. 3 moles mean we can take 3 Faraday. So why 1 mole electrons charge equal to 1 Faraday? So 3 moles equal to 3 Faradays. 3 electrons equal to 3 moles electrons. 3 moles electrons equal to 3 Faradays. 3 Faradays mean what? 3 into 96,500 coulombs. So from this 3 into 96,500 coulombs equal to 27 grams. That means through this reaction, through the electrolytic container, if we pass 3 into 96,500 coulombs, then we will get to 27 grams of aluminium. But in the question, this is according to question, according to equation we will get. But according to question, they have given only 5.4 grams. So they have given only 5.4 grams of aluminium deposited. Then how much coulombs of electricity you should pass? So the electricity coulombs are the number of coulombs equal to, this is coulombs x anukunte. So x, that is x equal to number of coulombs equal to just crisscross method. So 3 into 96,500 into 5.4 by 27. If you simplify that, you will get 57,900 coulombs. This value will get 57,900 coulombs you will get. So always the number of moles required, that is equal to number of moles, that is equal to Faradays. 1 mole equal to 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulombs. So the next question is, during electrolysis of cryolite, the moles ratio of aluminium to fluorine is the question. Cryolite mean Na3Al F6. This is the cryolite. So in the during the electrolysis, so it should be split into ions. So in the ions there are aluminium plus 3 ion is there, and F minus ions also present. So at cathode aluminium plus 3 ions gain 3 electrons to form 1 aluminium. So to deposit 2 aluminiums, we will get 6 electrons and 2 moles aluminium plus 3 takes place. Now at anode, oxidation takes place. There are 6 F. So 6 F's mean 6 F minus ions will be transferred to anodic plate, and there they lose their charges. That means become F2 by losing 6 electrons. Those 6 electrons gained by 2 aluminium atoms. So here if you balance this, so 6 fluoride ions lose 6 electrons. Then 6 fluoride ions gives 3 moles of F2. So here aluminium moles is 2 moles and the fluorine moles is 3 moles. So the number of electrons involved here is 6 electrons. That means 6 Faradays. That is equal to 6 moles of electrons. That is equal to 6 into 96,500 coulombs charge. So in the next question, they have given the limiting, this is infinite dilution, that means the limiting molar conductivities. the limiting molar conductivities of NaCl, KBr, KCl they have given in Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. The question is the limiting molar conductivity of NaBr is. So this is from Kohlrausch law application. This is from a Kohlrausch law application. So here, so in this case, if you calculate limiting molar conductivity of NaBr, first in this substance, what they asked, for what substance they asked, in that substance how what ions are present. So Na plus bromine minus ions are there. These ions among the given clues where they are present you find out. So Na plus ion is present here and Br minus ion is present here. So just you add those values and subtract other. So you will get the molar conductivity of NaCl plus molar conductivity at infinite deletion of KBr minus molar conductivity of KCl. So if you see that value, so if you see molar conductivity of Na plus molar conductivity of Cl minus plus molar conductivity of K plus molar conductivity of bromine minus molar conductivity of K plus minus molar conductivity of Cl minus. So here plus Cl minus Cl minus cancel, and here Na plus here K plus minus K plus cancel. The remaining terms are Na plus and Br minus. So we will get this. So therefore NaBr equal to molar conductivity of Na plus molar conductivity of Br minus. So that's why always for the given substance what ions present you see, those ions in which case they are present you see. So those added and the remaining value will be subtracted. So we get from this the molar conductivity of NaBr equal to, you apply this formula simply. So NaCl molar conductivity 126 plus KBr 152 and minus KCl that is 156. Sorry, 150. That is 150. So you will get if you simplify that you will get the answer, that is 128. 128 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. So the next question is standard electrode potential of copper plus 2 to copper is 0.34. Copper plus 2 to copper mean that is reduction. Copper plus 2 become copper, that is the reduction potential value. So that is a standard reduction potential value they have given 0.34 volts. Now the question is same. So this is standard condition, mean if we take 1 molar concentration, that value is this. That value is this 0.34. So if the concentration is changes to 0.01 moles per liter molarity, then what is the electrode potential? So the formula is electrode potential E standard E cell equal to or E of reduction potential, E reduction potential equal to E naught. E naught is SRP standard reduction potential value minus 0.0529 by N log concentration of metal copper plus 2, concentration of copper plus 2. So this is the formula metal half cell. This is the metal half cell from the Nernst equation. This is the formula you can use. So reduction potential value, electrode potential or reduction potential. So E reduction potential equal to SRP standard reduction potential, that value 0.34 volts they have given minus 0.0529 by N. Copper plus 2 reduction mean copper plus 2 become copper mean it gain 2 electrons. So by 2 log concentration of copper plus 2 is 10 power minus 2 they have given. So if you simplify this you will get the answer here. 2 to cancel, 2 will be cancelled. Now we will get the value that is nearly 0.281 minus of minus plus. So 0.34 and you will get that value is 0.281. 0.281. So here is 1 by here for the metal electrodes 1 by copper paste you have to take, and 0.05, and then you will get the answer. Now